What's good, beautiful people? It's SKB here. In today's video, I want to talk about ways that you can actually grow your YouTube channel, your audience on YouTube. So the number one tips that I want to give you guys, actually giving people valuable content that they're gonna watch each and every day, that they're gonna enjoy watching. And you gotta do your research before you actually start actually making a content based on that topic that you're going to be talking about. You gotta actually do your research so that you get the right topic, people that are interested to watch, people that are searching for. You gotta do the topic that the people are searching for, and by doing that, you are actually helping your channel to gain more followers and subscribers. So you gotta make sure that the topic that you're going to talk about is what people are looking for and is what people are searching for. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta make sure that the topic is on. Another one is by being consistent, posting consistent your videos on YouTube. It's very important because you don't want to post once in a month or once in a year. You want to post consistently, maybe one video each and every week. You post only one video each and every week. You post one video. You don't want to be posting monthly or yearly. So yeah, man, because if you don't post, the algorithm has to actually get used to your videos. It has to actually get used to you posting your videos regularly, so that it can actually push your videos out there so that people can see your videos. So you gotta keep posting videos on a weekly. If you're posting them weekly, on a daily, if you're posting them daily, but you gotta keep being consistent with that. Another tips that I want to give is by actually posting your videos at a certain time. You want to post your videos at night when people are asleep. You don't want to post your videos in the morning when people are waking up, because people are not gonna some people are not gonna watch videos while they just got woke up. And you just gotta put videos that are really valuable for the people to watch. Another tips is by actually making sure that your thumbnails are good quality, are clickable. You know what I'm saying? They are attractive. Making sure that they are quality more than anything. And another tips that I want to give out to you guys is by actually posting shorts. Posting shorts will actually drive, especially in this day that there is TikTok. You know, so people are like short form videos. They're not used to watching long. Some other people might prefer short-term videos. Some people might prefer watching long videos. So you gotta also make sure that your YouTube channel has short-form videos for people to watch. And that's where you get a lot of views and people getting to subscribe to your channel because they saw your short-form videos. Yeah, you gotta make sure that you put in shorts. You're posting shorts also on your channel. Another one is by actually niching. Making sure that you are, at first you might not have to do that first, but as the time goes, you have to actually niche down and have a certain topic that you only talk about in your channel. And yeah, making sure that your videos that you post online you put in the tags, and you can use that by using what is that app? You can use Video L2. You can use Video L2 for tags into your videos, making sure that your videos have the tags that are really needed. Yeah, man, that's been it. It's been your boy SKB. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Without further ado, I'm out.